A man remains behind bars in El Paso for murdering his neighbor and dumping his body in the back of a vehicle in Chaparral, New Mexico. But the story doesn't end there. Body camera footage reveals Otero County deputies were sent to investigate reports of this body and left the crime scene empty-handed, only for the decomposed remains to be found 2 weeks later. I broke this story back in December and have a full breakdown for you tonight. Remember this body camera video?
The duffel bag right there, we can't really see into it, but I mean, it would have to be a really small person. I mean, there's a foul odor, but it's like sewage.
It's from November 21st, the day Otero County deputies were called about a body in a vehicle at a trailer park and thought it was sewage.
I'm confused, the sewer line that's leaking over there for a dead body. That's all there.
But it wasn't. Deputies left the crime scene and the body stayed in the car for 2 more weeks. The body belonged to Rodolfo Fuentes. Police say he was murdered by 37-year-old Javari Freeman Handy. Freeman Handy is accused of killing Fuentes at the San Marcos apartments in the Lower Valley sometime between November 15th and November 20th. Police say Freeman Handy then dumped the body in Chaparral, where it was finally found on December 7th. It was discovered at this towing yard after employees said the smell was too strong to ignore. The towing yard is just down the block from this trailer park, where residents first reported seeing someone drop off the car 2 weeks earlier.
Hey, Mexico State Police, this is how can I help you?
Yes, I have a big problem. A man and a girl came over to one of the tenants that we have there and told them that they had killed somebody and they had them in the car. Okay, the car is there in my property right now.
The body camera footage shows deputies appearing to dismiss residents' concerns.
There's no dead body in there. According to them. We were here last night. You see there was a dead body in there?
CBS 4 On Your Side tried to ask the sheriff about the way his deputies treated those people. I called, emailed, and even drove to headquarters in Alamogordo, but he didn't give me an answer for 3 full weeks until he finally sent me this statement. The interaction observed on the video between the deputy and the reporting party is not representative of the professional conduct required of our employees. I also asked if any disciplinary action would be taken. The sheriff said they're looking into the deputy's behavior, but also told me if any action is taken, it would not be released to the public.
You know, it's a human being. That's what got me so upset, that I was like, I cannot believe this guy's.
Police say Fuentes was found with several fractures to his ribs. I filed for the full autopsy report from the Office of the Medical Investigator in Albuquerque. We'll share those results when we get them.